Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show. We're having yet another video about oil tanker stocks. Today, I know a lot of you are talking about how the volatility between oil tanker stocks and how they've been going up and down. And you've even got one or two people on there that are saying that the stocks are over, and that once you take the dividend, it's going to plummet even more. We're going to address that tonight, but please, if you find tonight's video of any use, please hit the like button. If you want to see any more videos, please hit the subscribe button. I'm grateful for every subscribe and like I get. If you want to make any comments, whether you agree or don't agree with me, I'll answer every comment. And if you want to suggest any other type of videos, please put it in the comments box. Now, on with the show. A certain person has gone against the grain and is comparing price now to last year, which you can't really, because didn't have an oil crisis last year. And we know that the stock prices in tankers go up whenever oil goes down. It's just the way of the market, and tanker prices go down whenever oil goes up. Now, I don't know if he missed the boat or what. If he did, now would be a good time for him to jump back in. But whatever his reason, when everyone else is still positive on all tanker stocks, he's coming out and with some, how can I put it, textbook sayings. He's trying to say how after DHT's last earnings report, they had a good earnings report, but they missed it, the expected just. But you've got to remember, the oil crisis didn't hit until April. DHT's recent earnings report was for the last quarter up to March. So any gains from the oil crisis are going to be for the next quarter. And it even said in that earnings report how they were charging 66% of their fleet was be charging 110,000 per tanker. Now, that could change day by day. It could end up 100%, but as I said in my previous videos, the longer they contract their tankers, the cheaper it will be. You can do your own research on this. You can see that they are usually between 60,000 and 110,000 since the oil crisis, and you can see how before it they was charging 25,000. Now with DHT, this is the 1 year graph, and this particular person is going back 5 years to discuss the dividend and how it dropped after the dividend. you know, every stock drops after a dividend. But unlike what he says, it doesn't always drop by the amount that the dividend is paid. A point to play: I recently bought some shares in a REIT, paid me a £72 dividend. The share price in total dropped by £11. I sold it off because I made £61 and I put it into another one which was due to pay a dividend. It depends how long you hold it for. If you want to hold it for the next dividend, it will recover again. Well, it should do. I'm not guaranteeing that because no one knows how the share price is going to react. I mean, this guy might be right, but all I'm saying is you look at his past videos and his history when he said stay away from this and buy this, which I did when I first started watching these online, and I found his advice wasn't exactly that good, which is why I unsubscribed from him and started subscribing to a few other, how can I put it, a few other people who were more reliable with their advice. They do much better research and they back it up. And like Jeremy, and there's a larger number of people who do. So you just need to find the people that you see have a good track record and stick with them. People who are constantly making the wrong judgment calls, then you don't want to listen to them when they're telling you to sell your shares. Me, I'm not telling you to sell, hold or buy your shares. I'm telling you to do your own due diligence and to make your own decision up, because it's your decision, it's your money, no one else's. And you can see there that, you know, DHT has fallen 1 pence. Look at that, Nordic American tankers fallen a couple of pence. Sorry, I mean dollars. DHT has fallen $1 in total. Nordic American tankers has fallen, well, it depends what way you look at it. It's fallen $1.50 from when it was $6.50. If you look at it from the $9, it's fallen $4. But Frontline is $1.50 to $2. But as I said, Frontline and DHT don't have the same debt that Nordic American tankers have. So you have to make your own decision on these shares, as I will be making mine. I've gone against analysts before. I've gone against the people on YouTube before, because I've done my own due diligence, and it's the best way. That way you can't blame anyone but yourself. Anyway, look after yourself, stay safe, stay investing, stay savvy. Good night.